2 bedrooms, 2-bath unit on a high floor overlooking city lights, riverfront and Distance Bay. Recently maintenance air conditioner, plumbing and new disposal, washer and dryer. Freshly painted unit, tile flooring throughout. Tenant lease expires in September, tenant willing to stay if you're looking for an excellent tenant. Full service building, 1 assigned parking space, cable TV, high-speed internet, and water. Building amenities include pool, whirlpool, fitness center, sauna, theater, business center. Easily accessible to grocery, shopping and restaurants. Walkable location but ideal access to I-95.